In this example, we've measured the partial pressure of CO2 above water in which CO2 is dissolved, and we've also measured the mole fraction of CO2 in that water. We want to use that information to determine the Henry's law constant. And so the form, since there are multiple ways that Henry's law can be expressed, the form that we're going to use is that the mole fraction of CO2 in the gas phase times the total pressure is the mole fraction of CO2 in the liquid phase times the Henry's constant. So the left side is the partial pressure of CO2, and the right side is that mole fraction. And so what we want to do is plot this on the x-axis, plot this on the y-axis. This should be then, the slope should be equal to the Henry's law constant. And we're measuring the pressure of CO2 in bars, so we're going to calculate the Henry's law constant in bars. So let's look at what that plot looks like. So here's a plot from Excel where linear least squares fit gives a slope of 1573. So this is Henry's constant. Well, we only have two significant figures for our data, so Henry's constant we'll write it as 1.6 times 10 to the third bar. And that, of course, is the value we're interested in from the problem statement.